There's Levi walking with his little walking thing. He's been taking some steps. He's been walking for taking steps for about 2 weeks now.
Whoa!
Oh, boys, come on.
Let me have it. Let me have it.
And this is my life.
Pretty much. This is how it goes.
Levi, Joe.
Come on it, Nate. Hey, give it back. Give it to him. Oh, now turn him around.
Walk to Mama. Oh, no. Mom.
Battery's almost dead.
What's almost dead?
The battery. Oh,
Oh,
look at you, big boy.
hey, you. What are you doing?
I got it. I'm open.
Stop it.
There's Mommy.
What you doing, Levi?
There's Nate and Zach. Oh,
Here, you want to walk? Show him how you walk. Show him how you walk.
Come to me. Come to me. No, what to do?
Levi's 11 months old. It's September the 9th, 2011. So he'll be 1 in just a couple weeks.
If I come to me.
Levi, Joe, come here.